To remove and install the battery on your Pro XD full-size diesel, follow these steps. Note that some features and accessories shown may not be present on all models and may not represent production vehicles. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface, ensure it is in park, pull the parking brake, and remove the key. Then lift up the bench seat. After this, loosen the negative black battery cable fastener, remove the cable, and set aside. The negative battery cable must be removed first in order to prevent arcing. Then loosen the positive red battery cable fastener. Remove the cable and set aside. Next, remove the fastener securing the battery hold-down strap. Then, push the hold-down strap toward the rear of the vehicle to release and lift straight out of the vehicle to remove. Next, lift the battery straight up to remove from the vehicle. If reinstalling the battery, ensure it is fully charged and free of any debris or damage. Follow the instructions in the battery charging section of your owner's manual before installing the battery. Next, place the fully charged battery in the battery holder. Make sure the positive terminal is toward the driver's side of the vehicle. Then, coat the battery terminals with dielectric grease or petroleum jelly. Next, connect and tighten the red positive cable first to prevent arcing. Then, reinstall the positive cable protector boot. After this, connect and tighten the black negative cable. Then install the hold-down strap over the battery and slide toward the front of the vehicle to secure it in the vehicle frame. After this, install the hold-down strap fastener. Then, verify the battery cables are properly secured. Next, lower the bench seat to the closed position. Then, turn the key on to verify the battery has been connected properly. When the battery is disconnected, the vehicle's clock may need to be reset. For more information, see your authorized Pro XD dealer or visit Polaris.com.